Guess where we are?
Not London.
Lake Havasu. Legend has it they put this whole bridge on one ship and took it over. Except that's not true. But it could be. Get to get out. Look. Let's have a look over. Yeah, that's not London. There's a palm tree. It's kind of funny though. Some of the sights. It's a bridge. On the other side, a little gift shop's down here. It's down there. London Bridge.
Where'd they go? Oh, there's one. Oh, I see him.
It was a fail.
Now I can see him from here.
And there's the plaque. And there are a bunch of locks. But, yeah, let's get up. We're over the other side now. At the end, there's a huge flag. It's an Arizona one on the end, if you're not familiar. And yeah, there's a long shot with the sun. Okay, coming down the side now. Okay, we're underneath.
Whoa!
Check it out.
Look up there.
Whoa, there's birds. Look at these birds' nests. Like, all those.
A lot of them.
People don't like those, right? They damage something. Or, I don't know. But everyone's cashing in, aren't they, on our London Bridge? Village souvenirs. Hey, get some Marmite here, right?
We can try.
Yeah. Can't seem to find it anywhere else. Bombay bad boy pot noodle.
I don't know if it'll be that authentic.